Just our luck, the guesting. Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all, and thank you for tuning in and making it to day 25. For Jamir again.
Yay!
Hold on, Javi.
I know
this
what
one
this
is for both of you boys.
I know which one it is. But Jerry, you're gonna read the like
The Optimus Prime that they've been asking for.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you.
So Daddy's over there recording. Daddy, it's time to open your gifts.
Wait.
Give Daddy his gifts.
Okay.
Daddy, come over here. So gifts all around. Boys are opening their dino. Take time with the scissors, my love. Just push it in and then cut it. The boys have been ravaging through their gifts. Javi is here opening his, what is this? Optimus Prime that we got for Christmas. So I'm not paying me no mind, guys. So the boys just opened their gifts. Daddy opened his. I'm gonna get a chance to open mine yet, but I'll do that later on. I think I want to do a little gift unboxing / year in review video, so I might just hold off until then. Listen to me now. But yeah guys, the girl is cooking today. I get up super early this morning, I clean up the place. I put on my peas is already cooked, so now I just need to transfer that. Put it over to like make my rice and peas. I'm making gungo rice and peas. Tired though, man, I lie. And yeah, I make curry goat, so I'm gonna put on the goat now because I know goats take a little time to cook, right? So let's just head in the kitchen and see what we're chefing up today, guys. I hope you are having an amazing day thus far. Let me know in the comments what you're having for Christmas dinner. Let me know with the salad and the cake, the ham. Let me know, guys. So yeah, we're going to chef it up now. I have my little what happened? Ask Daddy for help, baby. Mommy needs to go and cook. Oh yeah, we're wearing PJs, by the way. Javier, come show the guys your PJs.
What's a PJ?
Your matching pajamas. PJ is short for pajamas. Turn around, let them see. So this is Jameer's. Love it. This is mine. Remember I showed you guys and I just switched around my top because I wasn't feeling that top, but you know, super cute. Javi's over there. Still struggling. Daddy's coming to help you, Bugsy. So yeah, let's just go in the kitchen and so we can get done. And I even forgot to turn on the lights, the Christmas lights for the festivities. Like, come on. As usual. So I'm gonna show them my peas, guys. It's already in the pressure cooker. Hold on. Ooh. Very soft and nice, but we need the pressure cooker for cook the goat. So I'm gonna just transfer that into another pot and then we can get to cooking. This is what I'm gonna cook the rice in. Not a lot of rice. So we'll wash this and see if we can put on the goat. So guys, remember the what is all over my head? What am I expecting this all over my head? Remember the apron I was telling you guys I got from Shein? It finally came. So we're gonna chef it up today. So let's just put it on, right? This is it. How is it looking? How is it looking? Did I just not tie it properly? Hot, man. Come over here and see it. Wow, that's a nice dino, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see the dino. Wow. This is the curry goat overnight, well seasoned. The curry well soaked in this. I also have some vegetables that I'm gonna chop up and put on it. So I have my onion, my tomato, some carrots, potatoes, sweet pepper and garlic. So yeah, let's do that. So adding all of these seasonings to our pot. I should have had them last night when I because we already put we use the thing where you buy the what is it? Yeah, which brand is it? I try to remember the brand. Liberton. Yeah man, because the Liberton have a green season, I have all of them something already, so that depends. So it's already in it. IG. Sure. The girl is just out here winging it. Some other rice ready. Pata bubble, pata bubble. So guys, these are our chicken. I'm gonna drop these in the oven. I did a little badia just for a little extra spice. Just I'm gonna drop these. Almost done. Now moving on to our baked mac and cheese. What do we say the mac and cheese in there? I don't understand. I'm not over here, so I'm probably over here, so I think 2 is okay because it's just 3 adults, 2 kids. So what do you think? 2 packs? Talk to me. This are you a fan of baked mac? Huh? You're a fan of baked mac and cheese? What? Are you a fan of baked mac and cheese? Yeah, but if you're not gonna eat a lot, might as well not do much. Anything we cook, I'll eat. So you say. So 1 box. Let's do 3. Let's do 3. I mean, we'll be eating for the next couple of days anyways. And I love my baked mac, very crispy, very crunchy. I have some breadcrumbs that I'm going to use on top so I can get that crunchiness.
5 minutes later.
Guys, just our luck, the gas done. But it's not really done, it's just that the cylinder that's on is done, and it's I don't even know what measurement it is, but I want them big cylinder. But a long time when I use it today, no one might say, oh, Shanice, I think you should check the cylinder before you do any cooking, but lo and behold. So that's the smaller one. So we'll try to switch from this to this. It's apple season, guys. Come pick them. Bomba, someone eat off one of them. Pick the other one for me. The one here good, but the other one get eaten. Boys, look what we got from the tree!
Apple.
Yes, we have to wash. This is our first apple. This is our first apple. You want to cut it up and mommy cut it for you.
Okay.
Don't bite. Don't bite it, bruh.
I'm going to.
Don't Jamia, bruh. I have a quick little snack break because I was starving. Get apple off the tree. So juicy. The other one was even bigger and it did red. Say no, say it sweet. But one bird no fuss with Jamir. One bird eat off the apple off of the tree. This is like they have to eat too, you know. Me no response for a bird. Jamir want apples, my love?
No.
I'm gonna take the skin off for you. I don't like it with the skin. I'm gonna peel the skin
I
off for
don't
you.
like it.
I know, that's why I said I'm gonna take it off for you, bro. It's out to eat, guys. We're waiting for the gas man to come.
Have a look.
So we can resume cooking.
Look right now.
No idea. One day we're clean, we're gonna find it. Come, Davi. It's good, man. You think? Cheers.
Here's.
So the only thing I have left to do is the potato salad and the baked mac and some tossed veg, and then that's it. I'm done. It's done. I'm gonna eat some Christmas dinner. Good. Javi gonna eat too. And then boy gonna like eat food, you know.
I don't like it now. I won't eat it.
You don't like it, you're not eating it? Okay. So while we figure out the gas situation, I'll go ahead and peel my potatoes for my potato salad. Ugh, I'm so tired. So over this. I don't know why I'm gonna take up with some head. But I did walk with my basin. Oh my god, collect food. I peel potato from there can come to me. You can come tie this for me properly, keep twisting. The apron. You must have me a chef, you know, me have to get in character. Tie it a little bit tight. Oh, that's so tight. Oh my god. You want to look at my breath? I squid me go check. Which status that? Gas man finally reached, guys. Finally. The girl can start cook again. Thank God. Boys, can I go lie down and finish dinner? Yes or no?
Won't you lie down once you finish dinner?
That's not what I said.
What you said?
I said, can I go lie down and you finish dinner? Jamie think him sick, boy I should go lie down when I finish dinner. I said, can I go lie down now and you and your brother finish dinner?
I don't even know how to make dinner.
Well, you're gonna have to learn sooner or later. You're going to feel on it. Word, what happened? Guys, I'm taking a little break because I never know say I saw hosting Christmas dinner. I didn't know it was this rough. Right, Javi? Turn the fan so mommy can get some fun. So basically we are, I'd say 3/4 of the way done. Salad finished, the rice finished, the curry goat just a simmer down.
Mommy, I think how many Vlogmas day we didn't do it 100.
Well, today is day 25 and it's the last of it because your girl is tired. I am literally tired, Jamir.
Well, then we gonna read the 26 again.
We can't do the 26, but we'll do weekly vlogs, okay? Don't worry about it. Jamir love him vlogging. So yeah, guys, just a chillax. And then I'll go back in the chicken. Go back in the chicken. Oh my god. Do you see how frazzled I am? Jamir, I was not prepared for this. But yeah, just like you wanna look at updates. Alright guys, so we have the goat going here. We have Javelin, your father, please. Macaroni. We have the potatoes over here. And then the rice.
Daddy?
So the sous-chef is in town and she's making some baked mac. So we have melt up the butter. I'm gonna make on see what really I go on in the kitchen. So we have egg, cheese, flour, butter, a bag of things. You don't need cinnamon, you use cinnamon in yours?
No.
Really? Cinnamon get a nice little flavors.
Baked mac and cheese?
Yes. Ask anybody. Cinnamon get a little buzz. So we have a mac and cheese, guys. We got some tossed salad over here. The sorrel, some potato salad, well, mashed potatoes. We have a gungo rice and peas. The it look rich and shelly. We have a curry goat. Jamir, you want some? And last, our baked chicken. You're just looking, you don't want any? Careful, I might fall off. Do I don't know?
What is this?
That's sorrel.
I want come for the one movie.
Well, I want mine piece now. I'm going to take a corner slice for me. Jason, do you want to give the story of how we met? Give the story of how we met.
True.
Talk the story, no man. How did we meet? How did you meet me?
You see, I tweet a stamp on Twitter.
Online of online?
Yeah, slide in DMs.
So where else you would have found me, Sue? The most online after me not got away.
You take a very reach out all over the road?
No.
No, that was ages after, but we're talking about the inception.
Sierra, you were so much meat, I just asked you.
And then what happened after that? We used to go up on the ends, go on the herb.
Yeah.
So that's how we have a herb bracelet, even though I don't know where that is right now.
Herb.
Is that ever true? Bring, come give me.
He did that for think I'm back to him.
So that's his version, guys. You all know my version already. It's up on my channel. I do have a video of how I met this young man right here. I'll link it. Oh yeah, dude. I'll link it and you guys can go and check it out. But yeah, Twitter was the in thing back then, so that's where we really met, and then we met up in university.
I can't believe. Cardi knows you text mom?
I was an adult. Please excuse yourself. At 18 years old. How that messy? He wasn't the first and he won't be the last. Get this switch. I'm joking.
Can I tell you all about the laptop and the data?
Yeah, we used to dip on Uvu them time. The Uvu was the Uvu. Oh my god, Uvu. No, these kids nowadays don't know Uvu. But yeah, Uvu was the thing. Right? I'm 18 years old.
Put the camera on, so I see the time for that.
But I will do.
Where did you meet, Mr.?
Yeah, where did you meet Mr. Williams?
It's gonna be from the parrot.
So these boys are still here building. Jab, what are you building today?
A castle.
That's
I'm
it?
gonna get more.
That's
Look
your
at the more ones.
You're helping him build, Jamir?
No, okay, let me just look on the paper. And also I can get some more.
Okay.
Let me just look on the paper. Let's see if I'm done. Oh, okay. Oh, that one that broke by accident.
So how many have you built so far?
Like all of them.
You built all of them so far? Alright, when you finish, you guys come to mommy and so I can see them, okay?
And here one.
Guys, we'll look at movie food.
Whoa, Jody, you hear that?
What she say?
Jamie was my first love.
Guys, we're watching, what we are watching? Deadpool. We're trying to watch Avengers, but we realized to watch all of them, so we have on Deadpool now, and I'm not gonna lie, I am sleepy. Your girl wants to sleep. Well,
I don't know.
Jamir, have you seen the remote, my love? Go get up. One night family. Nope. Not I. So we're basically gonna close out today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it from day 1 to 25, then big ups to you. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And until next year, see you guys. Boys, do you want to come and tell the vlog bye? Stop move my hand. Where you move my hand go?
Make you one better angle.
Better angle?
Boys,
I know she want to come in a video like when we're closing out the vlog.
I don't have it.
Speaking of that gift in the green box is yours.
The one at the bottom, my name, the funny.
Yeah, no, the funny.
This is a
Oh my god.
present in the box. No move.
Oh, you.
She said, "Yeah, that my girls, I'm a buyer skill. Why would I do such a thing?" Please rate it out of 10 because I've never watched it before. So guys, we've come to the end of Vlogmas! Yay! Come to Jamir. Thank you so much for tuning in for Vlogmas series. Jamir, let's take time now, man. Come around here. Come one on this side. Thank you guys so much for tuning into our Vlogmas series. What you guys want to tell them?
266 days more, then we're gonna make another one.
Jamir, say my do Vlogmas again. I don't know about that. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support. So thank you guys for watching. Bye!